Welcome, fellow freelancers and aspiring web developers. Are you tired of your regular 9-to-5 grind? Well, get ready to build a thriving online business. In this video, I'm going to share my secrets to mastering front-end web development and fast-tracking your way to freelancing success. I'm Vitus DK, a certified IT trainer with over 20 years of experience freelancing worldwide. From the sunny beaches of Hawaii to the bustling cities across USA and the jungles of Africa and beyond. I've worked with some of the biggest names in the financial, medical, tech industries, and even academia. Now, I know what you're thinking. Front-end development sounds complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. And with my 90-second web development workouts, you'll be building some stunning websites in no time. So, in this series, we'll cover everything from the foundational building blocks like HTML and CSS to the powerful tools like JavaScript, templates, libraries, and frameworks that will supercharge your development process. So, let's start with the basics. Front-end web development is actually all about creating the user interface and the user experience of a website. That is the stuff that users actually see and interact with. Think of it as the face of your online business. Welcome to the first video on front-end web development series covering HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start by taking a look at the field of work. Those who work in the front end use web platform technologies like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build websites, web apps, and even native apps that run on the web. The job titles are quite diverse, but more importantly, you can work in a corporate setting, as a freelancer, or both. It can turn out to be a wonderful side gig if you take it seriously. Areas of focus range from search engine optimized websites or web apps, designing user interfaces, testing, performance, accessibility, and even web game development. We already looked at some foundational terms on internet and the web. We need to add on to that by learning core technologies and tools, using code editors like Visual Studio Code and your favorite web browser. In a nutshell, HTML is like a skeleton, building the structure, CSS creates a style, while JavaScript adds interactivity, leading to a progressive enhancement. To proceed, we use tools to plan, design, then code, test, and deploy our software solution. That was 90 seconds on front-end web development with Vitus DK. Like, subscribe, and share this content. Thank you. HTML, the foundation. Next up, HTML, the cornerstone of the web. In just 90 seconds, you'll learn the essential HTML tags and how to use them to create a basic web page. Welcome back to the front-end web dev series, HTML in 90 seconds with Vitus DK. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is used to create content and design the structure of web pages. It uses elements to define parts of this page, and they could have attributes written in tags and around the content. HTML has a hierarchical structure, starting with doc type, a root element which encloses the head element and the body element. The head element contains information about the page, also known as metadata, while the body contains the actual visible content and can be grouped into header, main, and footer elements. There are over 100 HTML elements. Common ones include the root, meta, section elements, as well as headings. Text content could be in blocks covering the entire page width, like quotes and lists, or inline spanning just part of the page width, like links, semantic elements, and annotations. More elements like images, multimedia, tables, and forms make the page pop out. Over 20 elements have been discontinued and should be replaced from all projects. In a nutshell, HTML is written in text documents with HTML extensions. The elements have tags with attributes within them, and useful resources include validators and extensions in code editors. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. CSS, styling the stage. In our 90-second CSS lesson, you learn how to add basic styles and start creating visually appealing designs. Alright, welcome back to the Front-End Web Development Series, CSS in 90 Seconds with Vitus DK. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. It is used to present the HTML content in a visually appealing manner. It focuses on rules that add style to the skeleton or the body of the HTML. CSS can be added to HTML either inside the line or internally within the head element, or preferably externally through a linked file. To write rules, you choose an element using a selector and use a declaration to affect its style. The declaration takes a property of the element and gives it a value. These CSS rules come from many places, forming a cascade with specific orders, and they are passed down by inheritance from the HTML hierarchy. Every HTML element is represented by a box, with the innermost element surrounded by a border that separates the outer margin from the inner padding. Styling the top, right, center, and bottom is useful for layouts and spacing. CSS uses media queries to improve responsive design by adapting websites to different screen sizes, and use interactions to improve their user experience. Take advantage of CSS resources out there like CSS Garden, specifications, and references. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know. JavaScript, bringing it all to life. Now, for the fun part. Welcome again to Front-End Web Development Series, JavaScript in 90 Seconds with Vitus DK. JavaScript is a versatile programming language that adds behavior to HTML elements of a website. It's used for both client-side and server-side development. Just like CSS, JavaScript can be added to an HTML document either inside the line or internally within the head, or preferably externally through a linked JavaScript file. JavaScript supports creating objects with properties and methods which represent real-world objects, and JavaScript also responds to elements like clicks, key presses, and page loads. JavaScript Object Model provides the tools to interact with the browser and its environment, while the Browser Object Model offers access to browser-specific features and functionality. The Document Object Model represents the structure and content of the web page, allowing JavaScript to manipulate it dynamically. You can learn more about JavaScript on MDN references, roadmap, libraries, and frameworks. We already covered coding basics and you already have a web browser. You can start writing JavaScript code today by going to the browser console on your developer tools. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly like and share with others. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. This is Vitus DK. You already know. Finally, we get to explore the world of templates, libraries, and frameworks. Welcome back to the Front-End Web Development Series, streamlining and accelerating the process in 90 seconds with Vitus DK. We will be talking about templates, libraries, and frameworks. These terms are often used interchangeably, but represent distinct concepts. Together, they provide a solid foundation for building websites quickly and efficiently by offering pre-designed layouts, styles, and components, saving you time and effort. HTML5 templates like Bootstrap, Foundation, Materialize UI, Tailwinds are great for quickly creating visually appealing websites with pre-designed layouts. Libraries like jQuery, Lodash, D3, Moment, Chart offer solutions for specific tasks such as DOM manipulation and data handling. Frameworks like React, Angular, Vue, Svelte provide a comprehensive set of tools and guidelines for building complex web applications. The best choice depends on your project's specific needs and team's expertise. In addition, source and version control could be done locally using Git or remotely alongside other coders publicly or privately using GitHub. Understanding the core concepts and using these technologies abstracts away complexities, improving your development efficiency significantly in creating more robust and maintainable web apps. That was 90 seconds on front-end web development with Features Decay. Like, subscribe, and share this content. Thank you. So there you have it. 5 bite-sized videos breaking down essential skills for front-end web development. This is just the beginning of your journey. Remember, consistency is key, practice regularly, experiment, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. The web is a dynamic space, and learning is an ongoing process. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your wins, and never stop learning. With dedication and passion, you can build a successful career in front-end web development and achieve your freelancing dreams. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. And if you're ready to take your skills to the next level, then click on the links below and explore more about front-end web development.